Hello, all you coin aficionados out there, and welcome to the DC Coin World International Coin Channel. Today we have for you one of my favorite Euro cent coins, the 1 cent or 1 Euro cent from the Slovak Republic from 2009. And if we look at it, we see the 12 stars around the outside, essentially denoting the European Union. In the center, it says Slovensko 2009 with the double cross shield here, the symbol of Slovakia, the Slovak Republic, a mint mark, and a uh, national symbol here. And then in the background here, we have another national symbol. And let me see if I can get that a little bit better. This is Mount Krivan, and that is one of the national symbols of the Slovak Republic. It is about 8,000 feet high, and it's many people in Slovakia and throughout Europe say it's one of the most beautiful places in the Slovak Republic. Now, the Slovak Republic was not always one of the Euro nations that produced coins. So the Slovak Republic became part of the European Union in the year 2004, following its initial independence in 1993. So let me go back to that. 1993, many of us growing up knew about Czechoslovakia. And in 1993, January 1st, the Slovak Republic and the Czech Republic broke up, and there was no more Czechoslovakia. They both became independent republics. And some people call this the Velvet Divorce. It was one of the most amicable splits in world history. And the Slovak Republic and the Czech Republic still get along great. And so in 1993, they started producing their own money, and it was called the Slovak Koruna or Korunya, and they produced that, but they wanted to join the European Union, which they did in 2004, and then they wanted to also adopt the euro, which they were able to do on January 1st, 2009. So this particular design with Mount Krivan in the background was designed by Drahomir Zobek. I can't pronounce his name. And this is in the Tatra Mountains. And it is on the 5, 2, and 1 Euro cent coins. If we tip this up, we'll see that it is a smooth edge coin, and the front has the regular Euro cent on it. This coin is a copper plated steel coin, and it is 2.3 grams, 16.25 millimeters in diameter. On the front of the coin, there's always this argument, is this the obverse or the reverse? On the euro cent part of the coin, we have, it says 1, says euro cent. We see 6 stars here and 6 stars here. We see the LL signature of Luke Leutsch, who designed the euro coins. And we see the globe here, and with a kind of focus on the euro countries right up here. Now this coin, because it first came out in 2009, and because they switched over their other currency, they had to produce a tremendous amount of these. In 2009, they produced 91 million of these. Some in proof sets only, about 120,000 proof sets only. 120,000 sets only, and 13,000 proofs. So this coin is worth between 5 and 7 cents US. It is sought after simply because it's the first euro currency of the Slovak Republic. Now, they've never come close to making 90 million coins or 91 million coins in any year since then. The highest they made since then was in 2010 when they made 30 million, and they currently make approximately 20 million per year of the euro cent coins. So, welcome to the newest euro cent nation, the Slovak Republic, in its 2009 1 euro cent coin. We would love to have you subscribe to our channel, and if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section of the DC Coin World International Coin channel.